Hello everyone, it's a great Sunday morning. Here again we are here in Mangahan Plaza. Okay, ang beauty sa plaza area as of now. It's already 5:42 in the morning. Sunday morning. Hmm? So far, mangit-ngit naman ang kabuntagon nga di actual penetrate ang kabuntagon sa panganod. Nindot ka pong tayo ang mga talanawang diri so far. With the use of the electric power to create beauties by using colorful lights. It's nice to see the beauty that's created by humans using people's funds. Really, it looks like fun. Nindot din na unti. Christmas man. We need to magipakita na to ang spirit of Christmas. See? Lights. Just the man-made beauty again. Now, let's go back. Let's go to the beauty originally given by the nature. It's the Kadagatan. Nga pa kayang Kadagatan. Oh, sorry. High tide. Padong high tide or maybe low tide. I'm not sure. Pinamangahan Cebu. Okay ni. Ang port ang port nga. I do not know it is advantageous ba or disadvantageous para sa Pinamangahan. Only time will tell na lang. Okay ha, may tubig. Nindot. O makita ang mga basura. Natural beauty. Man-made beauty. Sabiya kay kita tao mo appreciate mo sa tagka ng mga beauties nga mga designs nga create by humans. Kani originally create by nature nga i-actually tempered sa mga tao. Comparing the beauty, tangan nila kuan ang Kadagatan sa nangitang haligi. Tukol siguro sila kuan diya, sa tukuro niya. Naabot naman sa tunga sa dagat. Abot na mga insect dire. Insect with the coordination with the local. My God. Okay ha, makapinig. Laghan kayo ng isda. Pag-minis naman, marag din na kayo ito na tason kay Once again, good morning everyone. It's Sunday morning, Philippine time. It's 5:45 in the morning. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Keep safe. And this is your nature, the nature lover boy. You sit or you up?